Welcome to FinTech Fire. I'm glad you're here. Today we'll cover 7 practical steps to plan your personal finances and move toward financial freedom. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining a plan, these steps are practical, actionable, and designed for real life. We'll cover budgeting, building an emergency fund, tackling debt, saving, investing, retirement planning, and tracking progress. Each step includes simple actions you can start today, plus examples and visuals to make it easy to follow. We'll also show quick screencasts and animated charts to explain compounding and allocation, so you can see how money grows over time. Let's dive in and build a clear, realistic plan for your finances that fits your goals and your life. Step 1. Build a simple budget. Start by listing monthly income and fixed expenses, then allocate money for essentials and goals. Aim for a zero-based or 50-30-20 style budget, whichever helps you control spending and prioritize savings. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses to cover unexpected events. If saving 3 to 6 months feels far, start with a small goal like 1 month and build it steadily each pay period. Step 3. Tackle high-interest debt first. Use the avalanche or snowball method depending on what keeps you motivated. Make at least minimum payments on all accounts, then put extra toward the highest interest balances to reduce total interest paid. Step 4. Prioritize saving for short and medium-term goals. Use separate accounts or buckets to keep money organized. Automate transfers each payday so savings happen without thinking. Automation wins when willpower fades. Step 5. Investing grows wealth over time. Start with diversified, low-cost index funds or ETFs aligned with your risk tolerance. Use tax-advantaged accounts first, then invest taxable money. Regular contributions and time in the market are powerful. Quick explainer. Compounding means earnings generate more earnings. Even small monthly contributions can grow significantly over decades. We'll show a short screencast illustrating how $200 a month at 7% can grow over 30 years. Step 6. Plan for retirement. Estimate the income you'll need, account for inflation, and take advantage of employer matches. If your employer offers a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's free money for your future. Step 7. Track progress regularly. Review your budget, savings, and investments monthly and adjust as life changes. Use simple tools like budgeting apps, portfolio trackers, or a single spreadsheet to keep everything in one place. Set quarterly check-ins for bigger decisions like changing your asset allocation or updating long-term goals. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Regular, small steps compound into big progress over time. Quick recap. Budget, emergency fund, pay down debt, save, invest, plan retirement, and track progress regularly. Start with one small change this week. Set up an automatic transfer or review your subscriptions to free up cash. For templates, calculators, and a printable checklist, visit FinTech Fire, where we've gathered helpful resources for every step. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to FinTech Fire for more clear, practical finance guides. Tell us in the comments one finance goal you have this year and we'll share tips to help you reach it. Thanks for watching FinTech Fire. Take one small step today and your future self will thank you. See you next time.